Welcome to the Daily Story channel. If you enjoy the story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Once upon a time, in a beautiful but struggling kingdom, there lived a kind and wise queen named Gemma. Her kingdom had fallen into hard times, and the people were in need of prosperity. Queen Gemma remembered a legend about the Kingdom of Gems, where a precious stone could restore wealth and happiness to her land. Determined to help her people, she set off on a magical journey to find the stone. Queen Gemma began her journey, traveling through dense forests and across sparkling rivers. The path was difficult, but she was guided by a magical map that glowed and pointed the way. Along the way, she encountered friendly woodland creatures who offered their support. After days of traveling, Queen Gemma reached a steep mountain pass. The path was narrow and treacherous, with sharp rocks and icy winds. She carefully made her way up, determined to reach the Kingdom of Gems on the other side. At the top of the mountain, Queen Gemma discovered a hidden entrance to a crystal cave. The cave walls glowed with the light of thousands of crystals, illuminating the path. She knew she was getting closer to the Kingdom of Gems. After passing through the crystal cave, Queen Gemma finally arrived at the Kingdom of Gems. The land was breathtaking, with buildings made of precious stones and streets lined with glittering gems. The people of this kingdom welcomed her warmly and listened to her story. In the grand palace of the Kingdom of Gems, Queen Gemma met the wise King of Gems. He listened to her plea and agreed to help. The king led her to a special chamber where the most precious gem, the Heart of Prosperity, was kept. The King of Gems presented Queen Gemma with the Heart of Prosperity, a radiant gem that pulsed with a warm golden light. He explained that this gem had the power to restore prosperity and happiness to her kingdom. Queen Gemma accepted the gem with gratitude and reverence. With the Heart of Prosperity in hand, Queen Gemma hurried back to her kingdom. As she arrived, she used the gem's magic to restore the land. The fields became lush and green, the people rejoiced, and prosperity returned to the kingdom. The people of the kingdom celebrated the return of prosperity and thanked Queen Gemma for her bravery and kindness. The land flourished, and the queen was hailed as a hero for bringing wealth and happiness back to her people. From that day on, Queen Gemma's journey to the Kingdom of Gems became a cherished legend. The Heart of Prosperity was kept safe as a symbol of hope and courage. The kingdom continued to thrive in wealth and happiness, thanks to their beloved queen, and they all lived happily ever after.